G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I'm standing outside the one-bedroom ocean view suite at the Aston Kaanapali Shores Hotel and Resort in Maui, Hawaii. And I'm about to give you a full tour of what this room is like so you know exactly what to expect. Let's go. So there's some long hallways here to get to some of the rooms down the very far end towards the beach. There's only the one elevator though that are right down there, so that's a bit unfortunate. It's not the end of the world, it's just a little bit unfortunate. I'm staying in 509, so I'm actually all right. I'm not too far from the elevators, but I'm still close to the beach. So look inside. Now, I'm sure the first thing you're going to notice, as I did, is wow, what a lot of space. I really wasn't expecting it to be this big. It's huge. Now, I've mentioned previously that it's a little bit old school, this place, and you'll notice it in many different ways in the room. So let's just get those out of the way to begin with. You notice the kind of the hard, solid, coloured wood. I mean, it's old school wood furniture, but it's kind of got that darker old school colour to it. A bit heavy furniture, thick cushions. Now, not a bad thing, but just doesn't do that much with natural light. Those kind of darker colours. You also notice it with the lighting. So a lot of warm light and not much of it, including none on the roof. As you can see through there, it's all concrete. So that means you get very little sound from upstairs, very little sound from any other rooms, but they don't have kind of that modern down LED lighting, except for in the kitchen area, which I'll show in a second, where they've built a bulkhead and they've been able to apply it. But anyway, let's have a quick tour. So obviously huge living space. I love the carpet. It's just so nice to have a nice soft carpet in a hotel room like this before. I can't remember the last time I enjoyed that feel underneath my feet. It's all kind of this engineered wood now, or tiles. So huge space, huge space. You could fit so many people in here, but this is just a one bedroom. There are two bedrooms. So you've got the big couch over there. No cushions, which is a bit of a bummer. Like to put your head on or whatever. You can just take your pillow over your bedroom, I guess, but that'd be one thing to note. But plenty of seating. Looking at a really solid sized TV, which is pretty well stocked. Actually, it's got all the apps on it, your Netflix, your Amazons, Disney's, that kind of stuff, as well as on-demand content from TV shows like ABC and AMC and the kids channels and everything like that. Now, out here we have a really generously sized balcony, a really good sized balcony, with a full table and chair set up, and even your own sun lounge. Just one, so you get to fight over it with your partner. And then, yeah, this is the ocean view, and you get a pretty awesome view of the ocean, as you can see, as well as down to the pool area as well. Really nice. Actually, it's a really nice outlook. It's really nice just to be able to hang on the balcony, let alone go down to the resort proper. So lighting is one of my big issues with the room. Like, I don't have too many problems with the room. It's pretty nice. But there's only kind of these lamps around, and none of them are hardwired. So when you come in and flick the switch, literally nothing happens. No lights turn on. You've got to go around and turn all these on individually to get some light into the room. It's okay during the day, you get the natural light coming in, but yeah, it's less than ideal. Now in here you got a full kitchenette, like no joke. Stools, big bench top, stove, microwave, full-size fridge, sink, the works. Dishwasher, everything. So you can really pull up stumps here for a considerable amount of time. You can live here, let's be honest, you can live here. And I think people do. I think there's a lot of the flats may actually be owned and maybe leased to the hotel, and the owners come and stay here for moments in time. But yeah, obviously massive kitchen. It's going to do you easily. Now we're through here, we've got some storage. Actually in here we've got a washing machine and dryer, so like fully stocked. Perfect for families, especially like if you want someone to stay in Maui for a week or two while you explore. It's fully catered and set up for that. You've got more storage in here. Nothing in regards to like robes or kind of that high-end luxury stuff, but space. We'll go into the bedroom first. So we've got a big tall boy here as well, stacked with drawers, which as usual I haven't used because I don't know, backpacked for too many years. I just leave it out of a suitcase happily. Another TV in here. The bed's quite comfortable. It's probably, I'd say, medium. Not firm, not soft, so not too bad at all. Pillows are quite nice too. So you've got a thin one and a thick one. I like it when they mix them up. Too often it's just always, they're all the same kind of density, and it's hard to get right for you. But I slept really well last night, and the nights that I've been here. More storage in here as well. And you can get the ocean view from your bed straight out here. Now there is a bit of noise, it does come from down there, but it's just people having fun. It's not traffic or construction or anything horrible. It's just, you know, people having a good life. So that's what you expect from the bedroom. The only thing that is a bit weird is this is awkward. So you've got it kind of like coming halfway into the entrance. So just see how it pokes out. They just really should needed a shorter one. It just kind of impinges on the entranceway. And again with the lights. So the switch doesn't do anything at the wall, as far as I can tell. And you got to turn the lamps on manually, or this old school fan on manually with the doink. Now you probably, I don't know if you can hear that, but this air conditioning unit has got right here, so it's right next to, that's the return. So the air conditioning is great, like the room's been really cool and everything, but this thing's really loud. And I'm lucky that it's been mild enough that I didn't have to sleep with it on, because I think it's so close to your head that if you're troubled by noises like that, it could be problematic. You can turn the fan right down so it gets a bit quieter, but you can still hear it quite clearly from the bedroom. But I've just been turning it off during the night and running the fan, and that's been fine. So it's just something to note. I don't know if you can do anything about it. It's probably the same design in every room, I suspect. All right, and lastly, we've got the bathroom. So again, we've got even more going on in here. Well, actually might be, maybe we don't have more going on in there. I hadn't tried to open that before. Maybe that's for the cleaners or services. So we've got a pretty basic bathroom in here. It's not the world's nicest finish in here. This is kind of that old school feel, heavy woods, dark creams. The picture frames, kind of the lighting is a bit warm. So it's not modern feeling, but it's spacious and it's definitely functional. With the bath, with the toilet, got plenty of space around it, and very family friendly, but a bathtub with a shower, and it's a detachable shower head as well, and it's even tall enough for me to fit under it, which at 6'4", I can tell you, doesn't often happen. They've obviously got the old alcove from back in the day when they used to put the little bottles and all that type of stuff, but they've transitioned to the more sustainable pump packs, which is good, actually really good shampoo and conditioner and coconut local stuff. So that's pretty good. The only drama is that to get out and in and out of the bath, you've pretty much got to wet the floor in front of the toilet. The curtain does a brave job, but that's the only thing with your layout that you could really complain about if you wanted to. But otherwise, it's pretty hard to whinge about so much space. It feels like I'm in a house, not a hotel room. So there you go, guys. That's a tour of the one-bedroom ocean suite at the Aston Kaanapali Shores Resort on the island of Maui. I hope you liked it and it was useful. Keep an eye on the channel, plenty more content about Hawaii and this resort going up. I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'm getting back on the road.